It's common for students to ask me for help with calculating their grade. For some of you, you just look at the syllabus and it's pretty clear, the math. And if that's you, you can just actually skip to the next video if you feel comfortable with that. Otherwise, for those of you for whom this might be helpful, I'm going to give a quick tutorial to help you in knowing how to calculate your grade. So there's basically 5 grades that are going to be inputted. That's going to make a difference to your grade. The midterm, the quiz, the 2 argument analyses, and a final exam. And this is how much each of those grades are worth. Okay, so I'm just going to do an example how. Oh yeah, and since these are how much they're worth, they're going to add up to 100. So however much out of 100 you get, that's your final grade. So let's say on the midterm you got a 20. Okay, 20 out of 25, and on your first argument analysis, you got like a 12. Okay. Now the quizzes cannot be calculated yet because I dropped the 2 lowest, so I don't know what your lowest quiz grade is going to be. So you can't put that toward the end. I try to have it a little bit. I'll try to get it as early as I can, but it's not going to be till the end. And then your okay, but anyway, let's say you decide not to do the second argument analysis. You're happy with the 12. I hope you would still aim higher, but let's say you just wanted to aim for a 12. Okay, well, this kind of helps you know like what you need to get on your quizzes and what you need to get on your final exam in order to get the grade you want for your final grade. So I mean, I'll just do one example to help you all out. Let's say you got a 18 out of 20 on your quizzes when they're all combined. So you just out all your quizzes, drop the 2 lowest, and then find their average, and and then make that out of 20. That's what's going to go in here. Okay. Then well, these add up to, let's see, 18 plus 12 is 30. Plus 20 is 50. Plus 12 is 62. Okay. Now you know what you need to get on your final exam to get certain grades for your final grade. So let's say you were to get a perfect on your final exam, then you would get a 20. Let's see, 62 plus 25 is going to be a 77. Or sorry, 87. All right, so that's going to be an 87. But let's say you didn't do so well. Oh, and that'll get you a B. Okay, you might do a little bit worse. You might get a 20 on your final exam. Then you would get a 82 for your final grade. All right, so hopefully this general tutorial can kind of help you know how to calculate your grade. And of course, you don't know this quiz grade yet, so you would fiddle with this number. Some of you will do a second argument analysis, so you can fiddle with that number. And so, yeah, that's some basics on how to calculate your grade for this class as we move forward. And don't forget the university has this instituted an option for all students to be able to just get a pass-fail. All right, that's it. Now let's go right into our video lectures for today.